Hello everybody, welcome back to Awesome Crafter. Today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to do a quick and easy little Easter craft, and we are going to cover little Easter eggs in multicoloured jute and decorate them for Easter decor. To get started with this craft, what we're going to need is some plastic Easter eggs. I purchased these from Home Bargains. We're going to need some multicoloured pieces of jute. We've got some scissors, some little bows and flowers to add decoration, along with some different colours of ribbon and our hot glue gun. To get started with this craft, we're just going to take one of our plastic eggs and we're going to take one of these. It doesn't matter what colour we use because we're going to cover it in jute anyway. So I'm going to choose a blue one. We're just going to set those to the side. We're going to quickly try and take off the label, because we don't need that to be on. Now we've removed almost all of the label, we're ready to get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the colour jute. So I'm going to use the bluey greeny colour, and first of all I'm going to squeeze a blob of glue at the end of the egg like that, and we're just going to set in the jute and just leave it to cool for a couple of seconds because we don't want it to burn us. And then all we're going to do is we're going to start winding the jute around to start forming a little circle. This bit can get a little bit messy, but it doesn't matter because we don't really see this bit. And then all we're going to do from then on is we're just going to squeeze a small amount of glue around the egg and just keep winding it round, trying to keep it quite flat and trying to keep it quite tightly woven, so we don't have any gaps. Just keep pressing it down like so. And then again we'll add some more glue on this layer and we'll continue to do the same. We don't need lots of glue because we don't want it all squirting out and making it look too messy. And then I'm going to continue to do this now all the way until I get onto the top of the egg. So I shall see you back when I've done that. And there's our completed egg. Now we've totally covered it in the blue jute. So to decorate this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, I think, the yellow jute around the middle. As you can see from the ones that I have in the basket, I've tied ribbon around that one with a little flower, and I've also tied ribbon and a flower around that one. So what I think I'm going to do is with this one, I'm just going to take the yellow jute and I'm just going to wrap it round a couple of times, snip it off. I think I'll just secure it by just tying a little knot in it, so we want it to hold. Straighten it all up. Like so. There we go. Then I think I'm just going to trim off the two little ends like that. Then I think I'm just going to add some more of my hot glue onto the centre, and I think on this one I'll use one of my little bows. We'll go for the yellow one, and I think I'm just going to stick that on there, then that'll help secure the knot. And there we have it. There's another cute little Easter egg covered in jute, ready for your Easter decor. I absolutely love this craft. It's very quick and easy and simple, it doesn't take very long to do, and is a great addition for Easter. I really hope you enjoyed this craft, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye for now.